The art of paying heed. Understanding the phrase. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into an English phrase that might sound a bit old-fashioned but is rich in meaning: pay heed. Stick around to fully grasp its essence and learn how to use it correctly. Paying heed consists of two parts: pay and heed. Let's understand them individually. 1. Pay. This word often refers to giving money as a form of exchange. But in many English phrases, pay also implies giving attention or respect. Like in pay attention, pay a visit, or pay respects. 2. Heed. A less commonly used word in modern English, heed means attention or notice. So, when someone says, take heed, they're essentially saying, take notice, or pay attention. Together, the phrase, pay heed, means to give careful attention to something. Understanding a phrase is easier when you see it in action. Here are some examples. 1. Pay heed to the warning signs. This means you should notice and act upon the warning signs. 2. She didn't pay heed to the rumors. This implies she didn't give importance or attention to the rumors. 3. If only he had paid heed to his teacher's advice. This suggests regret over not listening to or taking seriously his teacher's advice. Enhance your vocabulary by knowing the synonyms of pay heed. Some of them include take notice, be attentive, hearken, more old-fashioned, listen up, informal. By using these synonyms, you can diversify your speech or writing while conveying the same meaning. To wrap up, pay heed is a classic English phrase which means to give serious and careful attention. While it might sound formal or old school, it adds richness to your vocabulary. We hope this breakdown helps you in your language journey. Remember, it's not just about learning words and phrases, it's about paying heed to their nuances. Until next time, happy learning!